Hello everyone! Welcome to our YouTube channel. Again, this is Teacher JM, and today we're going to learn about English 3 4th quarter week 8.
So let's learn new things today. Are you ready? That's great!
Our topic for English 3 4th quarter week 8 is all about presentation of information. First, let's read the objective. In this lesson, you are expected to present information in varied artistic ways, example, role play, show and tell, radio play, podcast, broadcast, reporting, or poster presentation. Information are details that tell, explain, or show the condition of something or someone. It may be a fact or an opinion. For information to be easily understood, it can be presented in varied ways. What is presentation of information? Presenting information can be done through artistic ways, like role play, show and tell, radio play, podcast, broadcast, reporting, and poster presentation. How to present information. Role-playing. Role-playing is an artistic way of portraying other person's character. In doing so, the person pretends to feel like, think like, and act like the one being portrayed. Next is show and tell. Show and tell is a strategy where someone displays or shows an object to the class while talking about it. Next, radio play. Radio plays are dramatized performances designed to be heard rather than seen. Another is podcast. A podcast is a series of audio or video episodes that are available for download or streaming. Next, we have broadcast. Broadcasting transmit content, can be audio or video, live to a wide audience via radio or television waves. Reporting can also be used in presenting information. Reporting is the process of providing information to a specific audience. And lastly, we have poster presentation. Poster presentation is to present research findings, ideas, or information in a concise and visually appealing manner. Now, let's do this. Let's do an exercises. Let's read the directions. Act as a reporter for a day. Report the given passage in front of your family members, then answer the questions that follow. First, let's read the report together. Are you ready? Let's begin. Typhoon Ulysses, with the international name Vanka, hardly hit Luzon on November 11 to 12, 2020, carrying heavy rains that triggered massive flooding affecting Cagayan Valley, Metro Manila, and nearby provinces. The typhoon entered the Philippine Area of Responsibility or PAR on November 10 and weakened on November 13 before finally leaving PAR. Its first landfall was recorded in the vicinity of Patnanungan Island, province of Quezon, on November 11. In a Philippine news agency's report, about 891,457 families, 6,169 barangays in regions 1, 2, 3, 4A, 4B, 5, NCR, and CAR were affected. Now, it's your turn to be a reporter. Are you ready? Let's begin. Great job for being a reporter. This time, let's answer the given question. Are you ready? That's great. First question. What is the international name of Typhoon Ulysses? Great job. The answer is VAMCO. Second question. When did it enter the PAR or Philippine Area of Responsibility? Awesome. It's on November 10. Third question. What places were affected by the typhoon? Great. Luzon includes Cagayan Valley, Metro Manila, and nearby provinces were affected by the typhoon. And for the fourth and final question, where did its first landfall happen? Very good. It's in the vicinity of Patnanungan Island, province of Quezon. There you go. I hope that you learned a lot about our topic in English 3 4th quarter week 8. It's all about presentation of information.
Thank you for watching. This is Teacher JM, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. You can also support our YouTube channel by clicking like button, sharing this video, and putting a comment for the content that you want us to cover. Again, thank you and see you next video.